is Maulidina with NIM 24031082. Today, I would like to talk about one of the most issues Indonesia is facing today. The title of my essay is Indonesia Waste Emergency. Act now or face collapse. Background. Indonesia is facing a widespread waste management crisis, which is not just a sanitation issue but also an ecological and social threat. Waste accumulates in residential areas, river and coastal zones, reflecting weaknesses in infrastructure, policy, and public awareness. Without swift action, its impact will harm environmental health, the economy, and public well-being. Addressing this issue is urgent and cannot be delayed. The achievement data below is the result of data input carried out by 311 districts or cities throughout Indonesia in 2024. Waste generation 33 million tons per year, with waste management 46.72%, waste reduction 36%, managed waste 88%, and unmanaged waste 12%. The main problem: one, limited waste management infrastructure. Two, severe environmental and health impact. 3. National targets are at risk. And the last, with public awareness and policy enforcement. What's been done so far? The first one, waste-based. Community-based recycling. For example, Surabaya and Bekasi. This initiative has been successful, helping to reduce waste and increase recycling awareness. And then, zero waste school and anti-plastic. Zero waste school and anti-plastic campaigns encourage the use of alternative to single-use plastic. And the last, modern integrated processing centers or TPSC. Example in Yogyakarta is leading in this effort with facilities like TPSC Piungan, which support and recycles waste, producing biogas and compost. And the next, impact of waste. Impact on the environment. Realcast in 2018, Indonesia was ranked as the second largest contributor to marine plastic pollution globally. A significant portion of this waste originates from cities where trash management systems are inefficient, leading to plastic and other waste being washed into rivers and oceans, where they harm marine life and pollute coastal areas. And the next, impact on public health. Real case in urban slums and areas with waste management, like part of Jakarta, people living near landfills or waste dumping zones suffer from respiratory infection, skin disease, and gastrointestinal problems due to exposure to polluted water and waste. And the last impact on the future. Real gas in Jakarta, if waste management practices continue as they are, the city could face more frequent flooding due to clogged drainage system caused by improper waste disposal. Additionally, future generations will deal with reduced resources and ecosystem degradation, directly affecting food security and quality of life. Strategic solution. What must be done? One, government. Uh, Government must enforce strict regulation and invest in infrastructure. Uh, and next, private sector. Private sector must be invest in recycling and waste to energy. And then public. Public must be separate waste, reduce single-use plastic, and join initiatives. And last, education and media. National campaigns to steer public behavior. And this is the example of a strategic solution. And this is the example of strategic solution by private sector. And then example of strategic solution by public. Example initiative from Pandawara Group. And the last strategic solution by education and media. And the conclusion, the waste crisis is a real national emergency. It threatens our environment, public health, and the future. Solutions exist, but they require action now. We are standing at the edge of an environmental cliff, but we still have time to pull back. The decision we make today will shape the Indonesia of tomorrow. And now, our best color. And that's all. The next Q&A session. Friends who want to ask questions are welcome. Okay, to Henny, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mitsubishi Dianisi. Why is Indonesia facing a waste emergency? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Henny. Any else? 2, 3, Prativi, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. My name is Tika Dewi. I want to ask what does eggnog or press collapse mean in this context? Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vicky. Any else? To Atika, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. My question is, how can citizens help fight the waste emergency?
Okay, Please give me time to answer all your friends' questions. Okay, I will answer the first question from Henny. The question is, why is Indonesia facing a waste emergency? Indonesia is facing a waste emergency due to rapid population growth, urbanization, and weak waste management system. Many areas still rely on open dumping, while single-use plastic continues to rise. Public awareness and infrastructure are not strong enough to manage the increasing waste. That's all my answer. I beg to Henny.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Okay, thank you, Henny. The next question from Sri Prativi. The question is, what does act now or face collapse mean in this context? It means immediate and serious action must be taken or Indonesia will face environmental destruction, health emergency, and ecosystem collapse. Delay will make the problem worse and harder to solve. That's all my answer. I beg to Sri Prativi.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
Okay, thank you. And the last question from Atika. The question is, how can citizens help fight the waste emergency? So, citizens can reduce plastic use, reuse items, recycle, separate waste at home, compost organic waste, and support eco-friendly products. Community participation in cleanup action and education is also crucial. That's all my answer. I beg to Anika.
Okay, thank you. I can understand.
Thank you. Okay guys, that's all my explanation about my essay. I hope this can open our minds about awareness of waste in Indonesia. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.